Hey guys, what's going on? Coming to you live from inside the Adventure Ram. Alright, today we're going to be installing a camera mount for the inside on the dash of the Ram. Been doing a lot of research on this, and there's really not a lot of stuff out there as far as camera mounts for your dash, I've found at least. They're either for your window or the windshield or something like that, and it's just a pain in the butt. But this product, made in the USA, and it's made to, you could put it anywhere. It's not specifically made for your dash, but it works really well from what I've found so far. So, alright guys, let's get to it. This is the Seasucker, made in the USA. And this is what I've found to be the best dash camera mount. Like I said before, been doing a lot of research and I really couldn't find anything out there that tickled my fancy, so you could say. But yeah, basically what you see here is what it comes with, and it's fairly simple. There's this function right here. This is the plunger. So basically you're going to put it flat on whatever you want to put it to, and then you're going to be pushing this about 5-6 times, and yeah, it's just going to stick. And I mean, I'm really wrenching on that thing and it's not moving at all. As far as long-term effects to the actual plastic, that's going to be determined later. I'll let you guys know how it goes, but I'm going to give you some footage of me driving with it, and we'll see how it holds up with vibration and stuff like that. But yeah, we'll see how it goes. Alright, this is round 2. I adjusted the camera a little bit better. I noticed the first time when I was driving, it was kind of focusing on the reflection of the windshield and getting the vents there. So readjusted it so you can't see the hood. Alright, this is it off the dashboard, and I just wanted to show you guys So basically, this is the protective thing that you get with it. You're going to remove that, and basically you're just going to put it on a flat surface, and you're just going to plunge it until it seats to whatever you want it to put it on. I mean, you can mount this on anything. It's a vacuum mount, so like I said, it's pretty well constructed. I mean, this is tough as hell, and then you have this ram mount here, and then you put the camera on this ball mount here. But yeah, when you remove it, you're just going to want to grab it by this T here. This is what it says on the website, and then you're gonna pull up this corner, and then it's going to come right off. And I did notice it does leave a little mark, but then I used some interior cleaner and it came right off. So seems to be working pretty good. Like I said, as far as being on a dash long term, I'm not sure how that's going to work, but we'll find out. All right, everybody, that was round 2. That went a little bit better, I think. I know it's sometimes good to get the vantage of the hood, which I get that, and you know, I'll do some more tinkering with it, but all in all, I think it did pretty well. Taping those lanyard clips on the side really did help with background noise and stuff like that. Yeah, but other than that, I'm pretty happy with it. And what's good is I can just release it, and then I can just remove it from the truck. You know, it doesn't have to sit in the truck, which is a nice feature, you know, and it's not leaving marks on your windshield and that you have to clean all the time. It's just a plus for me, and I will be leaving the link in the description for this product if you guys want to check it out, and let me know what you guys think. All right, I'll see you in the next one. You guys have a great day.